What's going on, YouTube? Today is another day. It's the weekend, and we're going to check out what's going on in the garden before it rains. So let's go out here and take a look. It's cold out here, but let's take a look and see what's going on. Oh, look who's there, guys. What a surprise. Say hi.
Hi.
He's like, what's going on? So what's going on here? We are looking at some strawberries. Look at those strawberries. See that? He's like, I want to touch it. And look at the color. See the color? See, that's red. He's like, huh? Look at that. And what we got over here? We got kale. What color is that? Say blue. That's blue. Oh, yeah, it's blue. And then we got broccoli. And our nasturtiums over there. And beets. And beets are great. See that? So it's, guys, it's a pretty cool morning this morning. It's about 45 degrees right now. And we out here just observing the garden. We're gonna harvest some of this stuff very quickly and get back in the house before it rains. And we got our Meyer lemons here now. A lot of you, oh, there go one. See that Meyer lemon?
Yellow.
So this is yellow and infused with a little bit of orange. And he probably would put it in his mouth. Yeah. He's like, what is that? It looks good. It looks tasty, huh? Yeah, it's nice and sour and sweet at the same time. Yeah. So we're gonna harvest some of these, especially the ones at the bottom here. Look, can I get one? Let's see. Look, there go one. So I'm gonna come back out here later on. We're gonna harvest some of those. And lemons are very important, right? Because they give us a lot of nutrients for our body, like vitamin C. Now this is our first time actually going to harvest our Aurora Satsuma as a family. And I'm gonna let him do it. Let's see if he can do it. He got the idea, definitely. He has the idea. See that? Say, I have the idea, Dad. Don't you? He's like looking like that. What are you talking about? See, it's twist. And guys, we're not using our pruners right now. We usually use pruners, but you got it. Just pull. She's gonna twist it off. There you go. And that is a Aurora Satsuma. And he might try to put it in his mouth. He's like, ah. You want to eat it? Do you want to eat it? Hey, do you want to eat it? Huh? He's like, I don't think so. And then we have our Washington navel that we have not allowed to fruit this year. We had a little bit of trouble with this tree here with our weather this year, but it came back with feeding it, fertilizer, and seaweed extract, that liquid feed. But it's a great day today. This is the autumn harvest for us. And then over here we have carrots. Can I have the orange? May I have the orange, sir? May I have the orange? Huh? Can Daddy have an orange? Can Daddy have an orange, please? Please? You're not giving it up? Oh yeah, he's not gonna let Daddy have it. And over here we have our winter carrots, so we're gonna harvest this. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Bugs Bunny will love this. Wouldn't he? Bugs Bunny will love this, huh?
Ooh, came from the ground. It's a root vegetable.
A root vegetable. Carrots are good for our bodies. Very healthy. You want some carrots? Huh? You want some honey glazed carrots? Would you like some? I'll make you some. He's like, oh. He's amazed. He is amazed. Let's continue to finish harvest this right quick so we can get back inside, guys. That's another one. And I'm just pulling this out with my hand, y'all. So another one. Some of them was very densely direct seated. Okay, look at that. So let's just go ahead and finish. And some of them, you know, so that's why you got some little tiny ones and some big ones here. This is a small one. Let's see, we have another one over here. What? Ooh. We're gonna wash these off later. And I could actually keep these in a little bit longer. I could have kept them a little longer, but why not? These have been actually in for like 3 months. So, yeah. Look at that baby. Look at that. And we're not gonna let him touch this because it's, you know, it's a little harvest. We're grateful and we're thankful, huh? Would you like some carrots? He's looking at the carrot. He's like, ooh, look at that. Yeah.
It's green.
Say green. Say green. He's not gonna say anything.
There they.
He said,
Green.
and you can eat the leaves with a salad. You can juice the carrot, and you can also roast the carrots, boil it. You got a lot of options. Eat them fresh with peanut butter if you wanted to. And eat, you know, it's up to you. I don't know about peanut butter, y'all, but all right, that's a little harvest there. And then over here, we have our stone fruit. Now, there's no fruit on this tree, as you can see. And he's trying to grab the carrot. Yeah, all right. Anyway, stone fruit. And over here, we have our bell pepper. See, what color is this? A green?
Green.
This is green.
There they.
And we're gonna harvest this. I was gonna pull it off actually. So I'm gonna put it down there for now, and harvest the rest of these for the so that we can see if we can overwinter our this bell pepper that was given to us as a gift. Are you trying to eat the orange, dude? I heard you. Yeah, your mouth get watery, huh? Look at him. I want that orange. So, guys, we're going to continue harvesting. We thank you for watching. But first, I could ask my wife a question. She's trying to hire. Hey, did you like the garden? Do you think it's beneficial and sustainable for our son or our family?
Yes.
Yeah? Why?
Because when we're cooking things, it's nice to be able to come out and grab something fresh and healthy for us to be able to eat.
I totally agree. And well, guys, we're gonna go and get in the house. So that little man, he can go ahead and eat and take his nap for the day. Well, guys, until next time, I hope you guys have a blessed and favorable weekend. Enjoy your holiday, enjoy your family, and most of all, grow what you love to eat. So long from NJ Kelly Garden and family. Peace. So see you later.
Bye bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye.